Hello everyone, again this is Tejal from Sunmodule Software and today we will see how to add employee assessment. So let's start. Just click on HR module, then select the employee assessment submodule. Just click on these four dots. You will see add assessment option over here. Just click on it, then select the employee. If you don't get any employee list, then check out my previous video how to add employees using users and add it. Just select the employee. Then select the particular list. If you don't get any particular list over here, then check out my previous video how to add assessment particular and add it, and just select it. Then select the reviewer. Then select reviewer type. I'm just selecting reviewer. Just select the due date. I've selected today's date and status as a draft and just save it. Your employee assessment entry will be created successfully and you can easily view, print, delete and review that entry through these actions. You can quick search your employees assessment through this filter given over here, and you can quick refresh your search result through this refresh button. This is how you can add your employee assessments. After adding this employee assessment, the assessment will be assigned to that employee and in that employee profile it will be available. If you get any query to add employee assessment, then please connect us at contact us at sunmosoftware.com. See you in the next video.